Week 13, Day 3, entitled The Squash Court Experiment. As the pile grew, so did the entire project, talking about the nuclear pile or the atomic pile that they mentioned before in the last article. That's all the stuff he's getting ready for the experiment. As the pile grew, so did the entire project. Fermi moved his materials to an abandoned squash court under a football stadium at the University of Chicago. His pace accelerated because they were proceeding on the premise that the Germans were close to atomic success. His pace accelerated. That means he speeded up how quickly he was trying to get through his research. Because they were proceeding on the premise. A premise is a proposition or a statement that supports a theory. They thought the Germans were almost ready to be successful with their atomic research, so they felt like they had to hurry. 6 weeks after the pile had been started, its critical size was reached. Critical size means the size that they were looking for, that they wanted it to be. 3 brave young men jeopardized their lives by ascending the pile, ready to cover it with liquid cadmium if anything went wrong. These young men jeopardized their lives. That means they put their lives in danger because there was the possibility that something could go wrong, they could be hurt, killed, whatever. So they jeopardized their lives. Almost 50 scientists and several incredulous observers mounted a balcony to watch. Incredulous observers, these are the people watching, and incredulous means they can hardly believe what they're seeing. When you're incredulous, it means you're having difficulty believing something. One physicist remained on the floor. It was his job to extract the final cadmium control rod. Unbearable tension permeated the atmosphere. To permeate means to fill it up. So tension, nervousness was permeating the whole room or filling the whole room. Fermi completed his calculations, waited for a propitious moment, and then gave the signal. A propitious moment is the moment when it seems like there's a good chance of success, the best moment possible. So according to his calculations, he was waiting for the exact right moment.